Houston, Texas. This dude straight up swiped a jacket while the homeowner watched it happen.
Jacket down. Put my jacket down.
Let's see how that played out.
Put my jacket down.
Hey.
Put my motherfucking jacket down. What you doing in my house? I'm gonna let my dog out of your. Let me call my sister. Hold on.
Hey,
Bro, get away from my motherfucking house, bro.
Hey, you can help me out with some clothes?
I don't have nothing right now, bro. Don't just come on my porch like that grabbing shit, man. I'm down the street from my house. Don't.
Yeah, man,
Don't do that shit.
my.
Yeah, that's my work jacket, bro.
Alright.
Colton, California. If you or someone you love lives alone, this is a must-watch. An elderly woman was peacefully sitting on her porch when one lady distracted her with small talk, while another snuck inside. Luckily, her daughter saw it all on the doorbell cam. Let's watch and learn how to stay one step ahead.
Excuse me.
Hey, get out of there.
Excuse me.
What do you want?
Somebody went in the house. Get out. Get out now.
We've already called the cops. They're on their way.
Oh my God. Look at this. She just left it. Oh my gosh. Hey, get out now. The cops are on their way. That was my mom that went in. Let's see, there was 3 of them. Where are they? Did they go in the house?
I don't know.
St. Paul, Minnesota. Around midnight, this intoxicated woman approached a house, then later wandered off and sat in an unknown car. Late night walks like this? Not a great idea. Stay safe out there.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Sierra Vista, Arizona. Check out this lady.
Hello? Hello? Hi, Merry Christmas!
Can I help you?
Yeah, I got 7. Are you ready for a puppy? Merry Christmas!
I don't think I know you.
I don't care. I'm leaving the puppy here, so you better come grab it.
No, I don't think so.
Oh my God, you don't know one who wants for something, no?
I don't know who you are, and you need to go on. It's almost midnight.
Whatever, be a Grinch. I'm just saying, the puppy's in home.
Chicago, Illinois. This mail thief is making rounds, snatching envelopes like it's a full-time job. And just look at that stash. She's been busy. Rosedale, New York.
Can I help you?
This guy's got a story, but is it real or just another scam? Watch
sorry?
and decide for yourself.
Is this the Duper residence?
Correct.
Are you guys home?
What do you need? Who are you looking for?
So my name is Mo. I'm here with Sunra on behalf of New York State. We're helping homeowners in the area get their federal incentive. I'm just trying to see, have you gotten yours yet?
No, thank you. I'm not interested. Thank you so much, though.
We're not selling anything. We're just helping homeowners save thousands of dollars by getting their federal incentive. We're a public entity that helps homeowners get their incentives and lower their property taxes, increase their home equity, and put some money back in your pocket.
What's the name of the company again?
Huh? Sunrun.
The name of the company?
Sunrun, miss.
The name of the company?
Yeah, it's Sunrun.
Okay, no problem. If needed, I'll speak to my husband and we'll reach out if needed. Thank you so much.
Alright, I'll come back if anything.
No problem. No need to call back. I'll just see if my husband is interested.
Okay, because we could give you the no cost option, so you save thousands and you don't have to take out a loan or anything. Whereas online, you might have to. We can give you that promotion. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I'll reach out if needed. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Cincinnati, Ohio. This guy tried to make a run for it, but the law caught up. And guess what? The whole chase is on doorbell cam.
Oh, man! Come on, man! Ready to get down on the ground. I ain't get on the ground, bro. I ain't get on the ground. Ready? Show me your hands. I ain't get on the ground, bro. Turn around. Turn around there. Turn around. Okay, get on the ground. Turn around. Turn around. I don't want to have no seizure. I scared myself. Okay, turn around. Where's your knife at? I ain't got no knife. Okay, turn around.
Hey guys, if you check your Ring camera, someone tried to rob a lot of people last night, so I'm tracking footsteps. Call me if you see them on your camera, because I know where they live. I just track their foots. I think it turned off. Give me one again.
I went to the hospital, it's closed. I went to the other hospital, and it's closed. I went to 2 shelters and 2 hospitals, and they're both closed. I stopped at 3 places. I've asked, I'm cold. Like, para esta, no trae celular, no sé si puedes entrar. Más para unos horitas, yo voy a las 5:30.
Go put it back. Go put it back.
Atlanta, Georgia. This neighbor showed up at the door with a weapon. Homeowner called the cops, but guess what? They knocked, no answer, and just left. What do you guys think? Queens Village, New York. This porch pirate pulled a bold move. He straight up pretended to be the homeowner, signed for the package, and walked off like he owned the place. Sneaky or just plain shameless? Austin, Texas. This guy showed up with a machete, knocking on doors, aggressively. Yeah, not exactly someone you want to chat with. Rule number 1, do not open. Just call the cops.
Can I help you? Can I help you? What are you doing? You need to leave.
Miami, Florida. This late-night creeper is out here vandalizing property. Some people really have nothing better to do. Keep your cameras rolling.
What is going on? Let me know what is this for? What is for? What is for? What did they take over here for now? What am I taking for now? Someone tell me now.
Jamaica, New York. This lady spotted a package on the porch and thought it was hers for the taking. But surprise, the homeowner caught her in the act. Let's see how this plays out.
I can take up my own package. No, you wasn't getting the water bottle. No, you was trying to take my package. Don't come in my yard. Do not come in my yard. I don't need nobody helping me take my package, okay? You think if something is in my yard, I don't know it's on my floor? I can see. I just want you to know I have a camera. Do not come in my yard. I saw her. You was trying to take. She was in the yard.
Alhambra, California. These two tricksters distracted an elderly woman pretending to give her an AirPod and necklace. But they ended up stealing her real necklace. Share this video with your loved ones, especially the elderly, so they don't fall for these sneaky tricks. New Orleans, Louisiana. Armed robbery caught on camera early at 1:27 a.m. The victims have reported the crime, and the video was sent to the police. The gunman was last seen heading toward Claiborne. If anyone has supporting footage, please share it with the police. Stay alert and stay safe.
What you want, bro? What you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? Get down, get down. What you want, baby? What you want? I ain't got no money on me. What you want? Here. Everything, bro. Everything. I got it.
Oh, you say so. No. Oh, no. Oh, man.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who are you?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
What do you need, sir?
I need a freezing. I'm cold. Please.
Are you having a medical emergency, sir?
No.